The LIGTSPCE Hybrid Fry Pan is a good choice for everyday cooking. It's an 8-inch pan, which is a useful size for small meals. The non-stick surface is a combination of stainless steel and a PFOA-free coating. This means food slides off easily, and cleaning is simple. You can use it on different cooktops, including induction, ceramic, and gas. It's also dishwasher and oven safe, which adds to its convenience. The honeycomb pattern on the inside helps with even heating. This is good for different cooking scenarios, like frying eggs or sautéing vegetables. The steel elements give a sturdy feel to the pan. In my experience, the LIGTSPCE Hybrid Fry Pan meets basic cooking requirements. It heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature. The non-stick surface works well, even with sticky foods. I haven't seen any issues with scratching or peeling. The pan feels solid and well made. I haven't tested the long-term status of the pan, but so far, it is holding up well. There is no video included with the pan, but the instructions are easy to follow. The company offers a guarantee, which is reassuring. It is important to note that like most non-stick pans, it is better to use medium heat. Overall, the LIGTSPCE Hybrid Fry Pan is a reliable pan. It's easy to use and clean. It's a good option for someone looking for a versatile pan. It is not a legend, but a good, solid pan. It covers the basics well. For an 8th grade student who is starting to cook, this pan is a safe and easy to use option. It's a practical addition to any kitchen. Pros: no stick at all, beats Teflon, durable, totally recommend, eggs didn't stick. Easy cleanup, good weight, easy to pick up, handle fits nicely, work like a charm. Cons: different pan sizes vary, no bottom coating on some, eggs stick. Even with oil, scrambled eggs stick, not good for eggs. Shipping delays, non-stick fails, eggs stick with butter, poor non-stick, instant quality features. Non-stick, hybrid design 8-inch size, PFOA-free, stainless steel, skillet type, dishwasher. Safe, oven safe, induction ready, ceramic cooktop. Use the LIGTSPCE 8-inch frying pan combines a non-stick surface with a stainless steel body. It's designed to make cooking easy and cleanup simple. The pan is safe to use since it's PFOA-free. You can wash it in the dishwasher or use it in the oven. It works on different types of stoves, including induction, ceramic, and gas. The LIGTSPCE frying pans, advertised as hybrid non-stick, receive mixed reviews. Some users praise their performance, noting easy cleanup, good weight, and effective non-stick for items other than eggs. However, others report issues with eggs sticking, inconsistent non-stick performance, and quality control problems like missing bottom coatings. Shipping delays are also mentioned. While some find them durable and recommend them, the reviews highlight that the non-stick capability varies, especially when cooking eggs.